AAP's Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh has filed a petition in the Delhi High Court, accusing the Tihar Jail administration of preventing him from meeting Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. In response, Justice Neena Bansal Krishna of Delhi High Court has requested a reply from the jail administration, with the next hearing scheduled for September 9. Sanjay Singh is seeking permission to meet Kejriwal, citing concerns about Kejriwal's health. This request comes as the party is negotiating an alliance with Congress in Haryana. The petition alleges that the jail administration is misusing Rule 588 of Delhi Jail Rules, which restricts habitual offenders or former prisoners from meeting their partners in jail. The court has demanded a response from the Tihar Jail administration within 3 days. Arvind Kejriwal is currently in Tihar Jail under judicial custody in connection with the CBI investigation related to the Delhi liquor policy. He was arrested on June 26th, and his bail hearing along with the petition challenging his CBI custody is expected on September 5. Kangana Ranaut's film Emergency has faced a significant setback from the Bombay High Court. The court denied Zee Studios' request to direct the censor board to issue a certification for the film. The court explained that since the Madhya Pradesh High Court has already instructed the Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC) to address objections raised by the Sikh community, it cannot intervene. Sikh organizations have protested against the film, particularly its trailer. The Bombay High Court has ordered the CBFC to resolve the complaints by September 18th, delaying the film's release, which was initially scheduled for September 6th. Previously, the Jabalpur Division Bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court had blocked the film's September 6th release. The central government also informed the court that the film has not received a certification yet, preventing its release. The Jabalpur High Court has directed the government to review the objections raised, allowing the petitioner to submit their concerns. Lawyer Amrita Pandey has called for the resignation of Kolkata Police Commissioner Bineet Goyal in the Calcutta High Court, following allegation of misconduct in a case involving a female trainee doctor from Kolkata's R.J. Kar Medical College. Pandey claims that Commissioner Goyal violated the law by publicly revealing the deceased's name, warranting his removal. The case was brought before a bench of Chief Justice T.S. Shivganam and Justice Hiranmay Bhattacharya on Wednesday. However, the Chief Justice declined to address the demand, noting that the case is currently pending in the Supreme Court, where the petitioner should present their arguments. He also mentioned that central government plans to file a petition to join the case in the Supreme Court, and the High Court will only consider the matter after Supreme Court's decision. A public interest litigation (PIL) has been filed in the Supreme Court, calling for the cancellation of license held by Indian companies that supply weapons to Israel. Senior advocate Prashant Bhushan, along with 10 others, has submitted the petition, requesting that the court direct the central government to revoke existing license and refrain from issuing new ones for the export of military equipment to Israel. The petition argues that India is bound by international law and treaties that prohibit the supply of weapons to countries accused of war crimes. It further claims that these exports could lead to severe violations of international human rights laws. The Ministry of Defense has also been named as a party in the petition. The Supreme Court has issued key directives to find a particular solution to the dispute regarding refunds to Sahara Group investors. The court has asked Sahara Group to submit a list of both mortgaged and non-mortgaged properties, the name of current directors, and a plan for selling these properties. All involved parties have been instructed to provide this information promptly to accelerate the refund process. During a hearing on contempt petitions in the Sahara case, the Supreme Court reprimanded senior advocate Vishwajit Bhattacharya for raising his voice. Bhattacharya argued that SEBI had committed contempt, insisting, "I am an officer of the court. The honorable judge cannot dismiss the case without hearing me." The judges respond firmly, advising Bhattacharya to remain calm and refrain from making decisions on his own. They emphasized the difficulty of reaching a balanced decision. which requires considering all perspectives, and reminded him that they were only accusing him, not deciding the case. The court also instructed Sahara Group to present a plan for the sale of its immovable domestic and foreign assets by Thursday. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.